Hvac system revalidation and requalification is a specialized, standardized process applicable in clean rooms and hospital theaters. The main purpose of Hvac system requalification and revalidation is to establish the documented evidence that the Hvac systems are serving the clean rooms and theater rooms properly, and that they are performing effectively and consistently, meeting the clean room requirements, comparing the results against the WHO, the ISO standard that guides clean rooms, which is ISO 14644 Part 3, GMPs and EU guidelines. And these results again are compared in order to see if they meet the original design criteria. Hvac system requalification and revalidation is the only standardized procedure that incorporates air quality testing, design study, and environmental testing all in one. The tests involved may include particle count, airflow velocity, pressure differential, HEPA filter integrity testing, there's recovery testing, there's testing on temperature and relative humidity. At Nexton Limited, we pride ourselves in conducting Hvac system revalidation and requalification with utmost quality, timeliness, and professionalism.